Hi everybody, good evening. I'm doing daily challenge Shady Oak financial part of the interest condition. Whenever finance, they always like to do share con the raise condition. So because we log in now, like to do that. So if you register now raise condition, we need to go to burp suite. For example, this one. The 1, 2, 3. If you come now, where is the raise condition? So you can see the trading. We have. Is it on? Is it? So I have so you have one is the buy one. If you do a buy, for example, we have the sell endpoint. We have another two, and then we have the exchange one. So you can exchange currency. So we have basically we have three. Where is the post request? We have this one. So basically, this one API trade, and that's the response. We have this one also an API tree, but this one action is sell, and then we have another post request. This is a conversion. Now we have three endpoints. You can play with it, and you can set them in history. You have a convert, sell, and buy. Now you can test race condition in three of them because possibly you can do, but the one that did to work race condition is the convert exchange part. Let's test the exchange part. Let's say I want to test, for example, 100 or 200. Let's put my proxy on. Is this one on? Intercept on. And if I convert that one, you can see send it to repeater. Yeah, when you send it to repeater, then we can add it to a group, for example, new group, whatever you call it. And then, for example, then we can duplicate top. Please make it crash it, make it 50. And then we can do send the group in parallel. So we have in parallel now. So the idea if there is a raise condition and we convert it to 100, we can convert a lot of money because it's in parallel. So we have 50 of them, so most of them will work and we get an exchange. And if things go well, we get our flag. So if I send this one in parallel, now I said convert and we got our flag there. Let's see what happened in our history. Let me disable this one quickly. If I check the history one, you can see the 200 converted. Even my money, how much I have, how much money left? You can see it still have 99. Oh, let me refresh. How much money left on me? Oh, it said minus 9,200. That's very strange. So race condition didn't work. I have 11,000. If I do 50, 50 with the 200, so it means 50 and 50 with the 200 is how much? 10,000. I got $11,000. Something is not right. This is a funny you can see they all come in 19. So that's correct. We did convert all of them. But we start with $1,000, but we're able to get to the minus, but it's I'm not sure this funny funny I'm not sure what type of race condition is this. We got the flag. Let's see which they all get the flag on them, or they all give us the flag. Basically, yes, we don't have the money, but we got minus 9,200, but we got our balance, the new balance to this, but we still have a credit there. So it's not really what you call it risk condition with benefit, because if it's benefit, this one just stays zero there. But you can see there is a problem. It's not supposed to allow me to go to 11,000. So the idea, I think, is the concept of it than anything else. You can see it get you exchange rate. You get the flag in all of them, so basically it's the flag in all of them. I think this let's not complicate things for now, but that's the idea for this. Why I'm not getting my flag? Yeah, that's my flag there. Thank you everybody, and have a good day.